Hi there, and welcome back to another Brass Hat Diver video. Today we're taking a look at the very unique Morse No.9 pump. This pump only appeared in the 1910 and 1917 catalogs and it was listed as made to order only. This pump has 4 cylinders and is single acting, designed for 2 divers working independently of each other in ordinary depths, or 1 diver in very deep water. Here you have your switch down here to switch it from 1 diver to 2 divers. The pump originally came with a water jacket, which was removed sometime during its working life. This pump retailed for $500 when it first came out in the catalogs. The catalogs tell us this pump is heavier and larger than the No.1 pump, but not quite as powerful. I want to give you guys a quick look at the pump before we put it back in the box. Okay, here she is back in her original box. This was Morse's 3rd heaviest pump they produced, so that was not an easy feat to accomplish. You can see where the original plaques and gauges set, and right here was the lever to switch between 1 diver and 2 divers. Working with this pump is a real learning experience. To see before and after photos, go ahead and check out our Facebook and Instagram pages. Now let's see her in action. Thank you for watching another Brass Hat Diver video. We'll see you next time with another piece of diving history.